Afternoon, everyone. Mayuresh Joshi, Head of Research at MarketSmith India. It's Monday and time for our weekly wrap or the weekly report that we carry every Friday. Interesting because I think what happened last week was full of events and global events at that. The events in Venezuela, which rocked the global equity markets, the turmoil that is happening in Iran as we speak, has again rattled global markets, and Trump's statements related to all these put together, including Greenland, I think that is creating even further jitters for the market. So markets which are about to recover had started showing signs of life, suddenly got hammered down, and the Nifty corrected more than 600 points in a matter of a few days. Again, I think the perspective in terms of Venezuela owning 18% of oil, Iran having a substantial stake in terms of the overall oil reserves, and what is the US dominance in terms of the overall aspect as it unravels its intentions is something that is spooking the equity markets. Having said that, I think what you've tried to cover in this weekly report is largely areas that are more to do with how the markets are probably behaving. And therefore, on your screen, as you see, the leadership which is narrowing, the volatility which has increased, is an obvious fact that has transpired in the market in the week gone by for all these events put together. And therefore, I think the two articles which are extremely critical that we've carried in our weekly report is that whenever a market corrects, I think it becomes a good opportunity for investors to probably start scouting and searching for ideation sectors which are showing signs of strength, which are showing signs of bottoming out and are forming new bases. Therefore, I think the fear appears at bottom, not the tops, and therefore there is a certain element of comfort that probably comes through. But you can't be complacent. I think you need to take the markets in your stride and need to enter as per the signs given by the market. So it's a very good article that we've covered in terms of the approach towards market and how Bill approached the markets as per his methodology and the overall cancelling mechanism. So obviously, I think the events which unfolded last time, what goes through in terms of Trump tariffs as well as the Venezuelan shock. Trump suddenly decided that anybody who buys Russian oil will get tariffed at 500%, which means logically India, as he's speaking about, and therefore that created further spooks into the Indian equity market, along with all the geopolitical news that probably transpired. There are 5 interesting stocks that are showing signs of strength, but that would have largely changed this Monday with more correction, but more in terms of the respite that we've seen from the market in an intraday fashion that we speak. Therefore, these 5 trades or 5 stocks, as per the O'Neill methodology, which are probably near pivot or close to pivot as growth ideas. Last but not the least, I think up on volume is a very important filter that we've got on our MSI filter lists. And therefore, this filter probably helps ensure that there is a large movement of stocks, of certain stocks happening within this filter itself, which is accompanied by large volumes. And if supported by large price moves as well, you've got some good breakouts on your radar as well. So it becomes a good learning curve, as we've always mentioned, in terms of identifying potential growth stocks. So again, I think this is what our weekly article is probably carrying as we end this week. And therefore, I think updates, learning is something that we continue to do at MarketSmith India. For more such learning articles and our weekly report, follow us at MarketSmith India.